Hello guys, as you can see right here, my time is in 24 format and I want to change it to 12-hour format. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, we need to open settings. So for that, you can just click on Windows icon. Then here we have the setting icon. So just open your settings. Once you open it, here we have to locate to the time and language section. Once you open it, here we have the option for language and region. So open it up, and once you do that, here we need to go to the region section, as you can see here, and here we have to click on region format. So just click on this drop down icon and now click on change format. So here we need to locate to the section which is should be for short time. So this is, you can see, so I'll just click on the little drop down icon again, and now here we need to set it to PM, just like you can just select any of this. I'll select the second one, let's suppose. And yeah, as you can see, the time format is now changed to 12-hour. So yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.